I am so desperate. I'm just trying everything that I can. And yeah, that's that.
Hey girl, it's Nessa and welcome. I did not record an intro, so we are going to jump right in. I am pretty much going to be doing an elasticity treatment to try to revive my curls. If you don't know what that is, I will go over that with you in the video. So if that interests you, keep on watching. Now before we start, if this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you like what you see. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell as well so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And let's get into it.
Alrighty guys, so I am fresh out of the shower. My hair is washed. I made sure I clarified my hair first just so I could remove all residues, all buildup. I had not washed my hair in the past 2 weeks and it was full of oil and a lot of product. So I wanted to start fresh, and I am going to start with applying the mask to my hair. And this is what it looks like. It is called the Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask. It is meant for dry, damaged textures, which would be me. So I am going to start by applying this to my hair. And this is what my hair looks like without any products. Alright, this is actually a very thick mask. It doesn't move. I'm not sure how that's going to apply. This is a consistency right here. So you definitely want to be working in smaller sections because it is applying or distributing onto my strands a lot better. So definitely make sure you do that if you have very kinky hair, very dense hair like I do. So I am going to make sure I work this mask thoroughly through every strand of hair from roots to ends. Now I'm not expecting to get a miracle from this product, but I am definitely expecting to see major improvement after I rinse this out because this thing was super expensive. I've never spent that much money on just one hair product, but at this point right now I am just so desperate. And I feel like I probably would just pretty much do anything or buy anything just so I could figure out what's going on with my hair. So I am I'm hopeful, so we will hopefully get some good results. It does say to comb through, so I am going to be using my wide tooth comb to just work the product through my hair, but I'm being very careful as well because my hair is very fragile right now. And it's actually gliding through pretty well. I wasn't expecting that considering how dry my hair felt and was. So that's good.
Okay, so let's chat a little bit. What is elasticity anyways? Elasticity is pretty much the ability of your hair to stretch and return to its original state. So if you ever pull on your hair and it just stays the same way, it doesn't bounce back, you pretty much have a problem and you need to take care of it. Hopefully it's not too late. So that's when you would look for an elasticity treatment. Now most products are not labeled elasticity treatment, and an elasticity treatment contains lots of ingredients that help with improving the elasticity of your hair, like the product that you see me using today. And a little bit later in this video, I am going to go over the first 5 ingredients with you so you can see what you may want to look for if you're looking for a product that would help you with the elasticity of your hair.
So I just want to make sure that I am applying this product. This product is getting in every single strand of hair because I want to maximize the results as much as I can. Again, this is so expensive. I'm trying not to use a whole lot of it and make the container last. It is a 6-ounce container, okay? And it cost me $44. Yes, $44. Never spent that much money on hair product before, but again, I am so desperate. I'm just trying everything that I can, and yeah, that's that. See, I can see the little curls popping back here, but this back section is usually my looser texture anyway, so it's always easy to get those curls to start popping. The rest of my hair is usually the concern. So I'm trying my best to follow the instructions as they come on this container. It says to apply the product on damp hair, but first of all, my hair dries out pretty quickly, so right now it's just super dry. And second, I'm finding out the wetter my hair is, the easier it is for me to apply the product and make sure it gets into every single strand, and also for me to run the comb through it. So don't know if that's going to affect the result, but yes, that is what I'm finding out so far. So if you do have very kinky texture as well and your hair is super dry too, you may want to wet your hair just a little bit more and not just be working on damp hair.
Alrighty guys, so let's chat a little bit about the ingredients. I'm going to go over the first 6 ingredients with you. The first one is water. We all know that for any product that's supposed to moisturize and condition your hair, water should be the first ingredient because it is your primary source of moisture. So if you don't see that, put that product back, girl, because it's not gonna work, okay? Now the second one is C12-15 alkyl benzoate. This one is an emollient or moisturizer, and an emollient is supposed to add shine to your hair. So it pretty much softens the hair and seals the cuticles. Then you have Cetearyl alcohol. This one is used as a thickener. It is meant to increase the viscosity of the product, but also helps with stabilizing the product. And the next one is called Stearamidopropyl dimethylene. This one is a surfactant. It is pretty much a replacement for silicones. So if you don't like silicones in your product and you see this particular ingredient, pretty much acts the same way. It is meant to smooth the hair cuticles and it provides slips but does not cause any excessive buildup. It helps with increasing manageability. Then the next 2 ingredients are pretty much moisturizers or humectants. You have propanediol and also glycerin. So what a humectant does, it pretty much draws moisture from the air to the hair, and it also significantly increases moisture. The other ingredients that I saw there are pretty much lots of oils and also extracts, but those are the first ingredients. We usually talk about the first 5 ingredients because those ingredients are the most potent and they will make or break your product. They will determine if the product will work for your hair or not.
This is how much of my hair came out during the process, and honestly it's really not that bad. I was expecting it to be more because I have not washed my hair for like 2 weeks. That's the longest I've gone without washing my hair. So this is how much of the product I ended up using. This is actually half of this product. So I use about $22 worth of this mask in one sitting. So it better work, y'all. It better work. Alright, y'all, so I am going to leave this on for 15 minutes as recommended. It does not say anything about putting on a plastic cap. It doesn't say anything about heat or anything. So I am just going to leave it on for those 15 minutes, and I am going to rinse it out of my hair and come back on camera so I can show you what my hair looks like after I rinse it out. But right now this is what the hair looks like with the product on. I can't really tell much, so we'll see once it's rinsed out.
Okay, so I may end up regretting this, hopefully not, but as I started rinsing my hair out, let me stop this. As I started rinsing my hair out, it just started foaming a lot, which is pretty weird. So I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys. I did not bring my camera into the shower. I wasn't expecting anything to happen, but because this is happening and this is not something that I was expecting, I just wanted to make sure I capture that anyways. I know it's not too clear in here, but I'm hoping you guys can see it. Now I'm using my phone. I don't want this thing to like fall in the tub. That's not gonna work for me, so I am going to continue rinsing it, but I can see definition. I kind of feel like this product is working, so I'm hoping that it really gives me at least some good results here. So I'm gonna finish rinsing this out and then I will see you guys shortly, but I just wanted to make sure you guys can see this. Hopefully you can. I tried my best, okay? Alrighty guys, so it is a moment of truth. I am going to show you my hair and we'll see what it looks like. And this is my hair after I rinse out the treatment. Let's go with the back first. I really don't see any difference in the way that my hair was before and the way that it is now. It does still feel dry. It doesn't seem like it does have any extra elasticity than it did before. So, did this product work for my hair? No, I don't think so. My hair still feels very dry. There's no moisture in there whatsoever. It does feel squeaky clean, like the way it felt after I first washed it. So that means that this conditioner did not apply any moisture to my hair whatsoever. No elasticity, nothing at all. So I looked at the website as well to see if it did suggest that you use a conditioning or hydrating conditioner afterwards. It does not say anything like this. I am going to try to put some products to my hair, leave-in conditioner and some styling products, and we'll see what the hair looks like afterwards. But right now I am not impressed at all. I don't see any improvement. I kind of feel like this was a waste of a $44, okay? I am going to style my hair. I am going to attempt to do another twist and curl to my hair. So this will be for another video. If you guys want to check it out, make sure you are subscribed. So I'll try to do that and see if my hair has more life than it did the last time that I did. I don't know if you guys have seen that video. If not, check the eye up here and also the description box. I will link that for you. So that will definitely let me know if I do have more bounce, more elasticity to my hair. But right now, just looking at it in the mirror, I don't see anything at all. No improvement, nothing. So like I said, I am going to style my hair for now. If you guys want to check out that video, make sure you subscribe, you turn your notifications on so you can know when it does get uploaded. If you want to see more content from me, just check out the screen. I will have them listed for you right there. I will definitely keep you guys updated as far as how I feel about the results. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me once again today, and I will catch you in the next one.